Okay, let's see how quick I can kind of do this demonstration. A this mirror a lot closer. Okay, so these are like the craft pros that I mentioned to you earlier. And I'm just gonna do a lion because that's like two colors essentially. And I didn't know that really spray on the sponge itself. Before I was like kind of spraying um before I was kind of spraying in the actual. Can't even see the line without my glasses. But like I said, the Craft Pro, pretty good stuff. I mean, I don't think it's bad for the price. I think I maybe spent what, probably about 20-ish pounds. I'm just trying to turn down like my phone volume. I think probably I spent maybe about 20-ish pounds the Craft Pro one. And I don't think it's that bad. I mean, in my opinion, more of a professional might be trash, but I feel like for a beginner, not that bad at all. Now for a lion, technically speaking, like for the lion's mane, supposed to be using brown. However, as you can see, skin is brown, so that don't work. But I did kind of discover that me red isn't so bad. Kind of use, and so I was using red. Now that's just the Craft Pro. If I were to use these, I don't particularly like yellow on my skin. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm just like not applying the stuff on correctly or what the deal is. But I don't really like yellow. I personally think gold looks a lot better for lion on my skin tone, but again, I guess maybe it's personal choice at that point. Add yellow. Yeah, yellow just seems too punchy. I could be totally wrong, but this kind of yellow punches. Whereas the gold, I just kind of felt like, ooh, I feel like gold kind of just sat like on my skin really well. Whereas yellow, I'm like, no, this don't look right at all. Now because I didn't have too many of these paints, I don't really have like a dark red like that Craft Pro. But I'm gonna try the red that I have here. I know one time I tried like berry, and that was like way too. Yeah, this still is like. Do you see like the difference? And this is called red. I know this is like reddish kind of. Can you see like the difference though between something like this? I mean, just to put it next to it, look at like the difference. Am I showing you the right side? Hold up. Yeah. Look at maybe the difference between this red and that red. Like it's not just because it's a different color in my like it's pretty punchy, this stuff. Like when you get the professional paint, it punches hard. It really punches hard in my opinion. Like they're super strong. Only thing I could even think about you I still show it to you like they do dry fairly quick. Yeah, like just to give you an idea, like and that I'm pretty sure the only thing unfortunate about the setup that I did with the Velcro is that I did cover it up, but I'm pretty sure this was like a like I don't know if it was called like red per se, but I know it was like that range. It wasn't like I got like a ruby red or anything. I know the tag one was called berry wine. That one was a little bit darker, but not brick red that I have on my face. It's just not the same. I think gold looks better for a lot. Call me crazy, but I just think gold is where it's at for lion. Then let me like use like an actual face paint brush. Again, still kind of learning my brushes. Still kind of learning which one does what size. I don't even think I have a good size for this. Sorry. And that black just comes through like wow. I haven't even used the black yet. I forgot how she did ears. Um that black. Holy crap. Yeah, DFX like when you kill stuff, it's strong. Really what I'm kind of learning in face painting is it's essentially how to use the brush. Pushing down and like adding certain types of pressure. By doing this, you need gloves. Gotta not that like I'm like the best face paint in the world. Like I said, I only recently got started. And when I say recent, I mean like I can't remember what she did with the other sides. Like, I think she did stuff with the know she did something like that. I'd have to like see the image. And that's kind of why I want to do like my own image reference. Just because sometimes I really couldn't remember myself. That was fairly quick. That's I don't think this looks too bad. I think I need to do more maybe with like maybe like with these around here. I don't know. And I am ordering like I will be ordering like a new palette gold because like I said, really useful. So that's the person room. I said sorry for all the distractions, but yeah. Tell me what you guys think of the line face. DFX, Craft Pro, and I don't really like the. I don't think that really works very well, but yeah. And I'll see you guys next time. I'll be making those videos for you.